Hello everybody. In this video I'm going to show you how to upload and organize documents in your Google Drive for your product downloads. So this is meant to be a free alternative instead of using Dropbox or any other cloud storage that charges you money. Google Drive, I think they give you 15 gigabyte to start with for free. And then once you build a customer base and you have more products, then you can perhaps switch over to Dropbox. But in this case, you can use Google Drive to begin with until you try and test out your business. And this is how you can organize your products on Google Drive. So the first thing that you need to do is log into Google Drive. And once you're logged in, go to the top left corner and click on New and select the first one, New Folder. Name this folder after your product. Free offer. And then we're going to create another one. Paid product. So the free offer is where we're going to include all the free documents, the opt-in offer, and the paid product is where we're going to add the other documents. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to add a file to your free offers folder. So first you click on the free offers folder. This is very simple. And then you go to your file. In this case, I'm going to use the Free Easy Courses journal, this document here. And I'm just going to add it to the folder. Simple and easy. There it is. As you can see, it's in the folder. Now let's say the customer signed up for an opt-in offer, and through the email you want to give them a link to the Google Drive folder where they can download this free journal. You just go to the free offers and you click on the three dots here and go to share. And then once you do that, here you have options. Restricted, which means only people with access can open the link. So this means these are the people that you invite. If you don't invite them, then they won't have access to the link. But that's not the option that you're gonna go with. You're gonna go anyone with the link. And then you copy the link. You click on copy link. And now you have the link, and now you can include it in your email. You can include it to your customers' download page and tell them where they can find the product that they signed up for or that they bought. This is obviously not the best solution because anybody with the link will have access to the product whether they paid for it or not. But at least you can use it for free. Most people won't share the link, but if you're very particular about people sharing the link with other people and you don't want them to obtain a product for free or without signing up, without having signed up for your offer, then your only solution would be to go with other cloud storage companies like Dropbox, because there you have better ways of restricting people. And make sure when you share the link, click anyone with the link and everybody gets access as a viewer, not editor or commenter, because this will allow people to comment and edit the files, but you don't want anyone to edit the files, so make sure they have access to it as a viewer. So that's how you do it. And then later on you repeat the process on how many products you have. So paid product, you just do the same thing. You upload a folder and then go to share. I'm not going to show you the steps because it's redundant. It's the same steps. So thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like these, and I'll see you in the next one.